Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Ìwọ ni màá bá lò Pasu Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá mi, kò sóyà kan tó lè yà wá o. Baba Baraka, Baba Wasila, send you greetings from Germany, from Hamburg. I love you, bro.
Ìwọ ni màá bá lọ Pasu Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá mi, kò sóyà kan tó lè yà wá. Hello guys, I go by the name Lollipop. That song that I just sang now, yes, it was sung by a fan of Pasuma Oganla, Baba Wasila, yes, Baba Baraka, yes, it was sung by one of his fans, and we go for that. The man is from Germany. You need to see the way he was singing the lyrics. I was like, àwọn eléyìí ti gbọ́ Yorùbá gan, wọ́n ti mọ Yorùbá sọ gan. In fact, he sang it, or every of his song, the track he played, he sang to everything. In fact, àwọn eléyìí had fans. He said, Baba Wasila, Baba Baraka. One love, bro. I love you, bro. The guy really loves Paso. We love you too. We too. We your own. We your own too. We your blood. Awati Bawasi. I don't for you. We love you. Gbogbo ara la fi nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín. In fact, it's really a show of love. I really love that. And just like we too, we appreciate their artists over there that sings, that will love their songs. Today, in fact, music is love. Let me just say it that way. Music is love. Yes, and music is a language that is understood by everybody, and it is love. Yes, music is love. Yeah. We love you too, Baba Jamo. From Hamburg, we love you too. And Pasuma, we love you. Our fans, oh yeah, our méjì fẹ́yàn kan.